DIY, do-it-yourself, and self-publishing. And yes, there is a difference between the two. These two options have become very popular among authors seeking independence and creative control, but mostly because of economic changes. How many of you have received that yucky rejection letter explaining how the traditional publisher just thanks you for your wonderful submission, but they've unfortunately been forced to become very selective with what they take on? Well, publishers are businesses too, and even they feel the crunch. Hence, more and more authors are forced to follow the DIY route. So, at number 12, let's look at DIY publishing, which involves authors publishing their work all by themselves. What is crucial to remember with this one is that authors oversee the entire publishing process, including editing, printing, cover design, marketing, and distribution. Yes, it's a heck of a lot of work for someone whose only dream was to do what they love best, and that's writing. Although they bear all the expenses, authors do retain all the creative control and royalties.